By watching this video, you will learn how our personalized remapping tool functions. We will demonstrate how to read your car's stock map, how to write our modified file, and how to revert back to the car's stock map. In the box, you will find the remapping tool and two cables. One cable is the OBD cable that you will use to connect the tool to the car. And the other cable will allow you to connect the device to your laptop to send us the stock map of your car. Now connect the device to the car via the OBD cable. Once you see this menu, press on Tuning and pick the brand of your car. In our case, we are using the tool on this 1.8-liter Seat Leon FR. If you can't find the exact model of your car or are having any difficulties, feel free to send us a message and we will reply back to you as soon as possible. Don't worry about picking the wrong car. If you do so, the tool will automatically throw an error saying that the ECU model does not match. Once you have picked the exact model of your car, you'll see this pop up. So now you must turn the ignition on and press OK. Remember, during this process, you must never turn the engine on. Once the ignition is on, the reading process starts automatically. In more technical terms, our tool communicates with the ECU of your car and extracts its original files. Remember that the reading time varies from car to car. Once you see this pop-up, it means that the tool has successfully read the original files of the car. Now you can turn the car off and head over to your PC. In the toolbox, there is a cable to connect the tool to your PC. Now it's the time to use it. When you purchase the tool, we will send you a Google Drive link with the software to download the files that you just read from your car. Every time you run the software with our device plugged in, it automatically searches for software updates. We are constantly pushing new updates to the device to keep it up to date with the latest ECU models. Once the update process is finished, just go to the Device tab and download the files from the device to any folder. Now it's time to send us the files that you downloaded from your car. Once you purchase the device, we will send you all the details in written via email. You can also sign up to our file portal at files.psltuning.co.uk and upload the files there. Once you have sent us the stock file of your car, our experienced tuners will start creating custom maps as soon as possible. Once you have downloaded the custom maps that we sent, you will have to upload them back to the device. So connect the device to your computer, head over to the Upload Data tab, and upload the file that we sent you via email to the device. Once this process is done, you can finally unplug the tool from the PC and plug it back into your car, just like you did when reading from the car. After plugging the tool in, you need to turn the ignition on, just like you did when reading from the car. Then you need to head over to the Tuning tab and patiently wait for the maps that you uploaded to the tool to appear on the screen. Once the file menu has loaded, you can finally choose the file that you want to write. In this case, we have 5 files to choose from, plus the stock file that you can switch to with just a click. In this case, the file on top is the stock file, and then we have 5 different maps to choose from. Now we will be flashing the second file, Stage 1 with pops and bangs. Remember that the writing process varies in time from car to car. Remember to have the ignition on while writing, otherwise the tool will throw an error. Once you see this pop-up, it means that the car has been successfully flashed. Now you can finally unplug the tool and enjoy the new map. Remember that on the tool there can be up to 5 different files, plus the original map that your car came with. If you want to revert back to the stock file or want to try out a new map, you can do so by just heading to the Maps menu and clicking on the map that you want to write. Again, always remember to have the ignition on during the writing process, or the tool will throw an error. Now we successfully reverted back to the stock ECU map on this car. Once the car is back to stock, you can reuse this tool with a different car as long as it's compatible. Remember that you can switch to any map at any time, without our intervention. If during any stage you need our help, just send us a message and we will assist you as soon as possible.